Guys, I'm going to cook rice, chicken, and beans for our lunch. It's very delicious. Yellow rice because I put food coloring yellow, and also beans gandolis. It sounds like Puerto Rican rice or recipe. I don't know. I don't see, but this is my own recipe. And first thing, I need to boil the water and then put some little bit of oil for the rice, and then add like stir fry the chicken. As you can see, I add like 3 tablespoons of oil, and this chicken, guys, I marinate this whole night. It's so yummy, and I marinate with the black pepper, and then I add rice. I use rice basmati rice, and then you have to mix. I put like 1 tablespoon of oil so it's not get sticky together, and then I have to boil it at least 8 minutes or 2 minutes. So now the chicken, guys, I marinate that last night and add food coloring yellow inside the water with the rice, as you can see. And you have to mix and stir it all the time so it's not get stick together. And the chicken, I add a little bit of food coloring so it's look like yellow. And I marinate the chickens whole night. I put black pepper, beef powder stock, and a little bit of Himalayan salt or iodized salt, and also a little bit of lemon powder and fish sauce. So I marinate that whole night. So now, as you can see, guys, I put 1 tablespoon of Himalayan salt or iodized salt, either one, if whatever have salt. So I mix it. So the reason I put salt to have flavor the rice, and then I always turn the chicken so the chicken it's not turned brown. So as you can see, guys, see, I stir fry that. I use the olive oil, or if you have butter, you can use butter. If you have vegetable oil, you can use to fry the vegetable oil. Not. I drain the water of the rice. So rice is ready. It's already 10 minutes. So now I keep turning the chicken so the chicken is not turned like burn or on. And this chicken, guys, is very delicious and very tasty because what I said, I marinate this whole night. And then after that, I set aside the rest, like 4 pieces, the one I deep fried it, and I give to my husband because he doesn't want to eat this kind of food. He wants chicken only. So now I use the oil that in the chicken. So 1/2 onions and 3 cloves of fresh garlic chopped. So as you can see, as soon the light brown the onions and garlic, I need to put the tomatoes, regular tomatoes, either one. If you have cherry tomatoes, if you have bell pepper, you can have bell pepper, but I run out bell pepper. So, and then you have to stir it, making sure the tomato and onions and also garlic it's cooked. Then after that, I put the chicken. I put back the chicken, which I fried with the olive oil or whatever butter, whatever you have available. It's very delicious, guys, and shout out to all my coworker of as you can see, the rice that I cook I already drained the water and I strain it. See, I separate the wrist and then add chicken again, and then I put back the rest of the rice and also the beans. The beans, guys, is already cooked inside the pan. They call gandoles, beans gandoles. So the rice is very tasty because I put already salt, but I put Himalayan salt and also olive oil on that rice while I'm boiling. So now I add another beans, and when you cook the rice, because the rice is not really the rice is only half cooked, so I put like very low temperature, and then I cook like 10 minutes or 7 minutes, and then I add like the butter and oil mixed together, the olive oil, and I add to the rice, and also 1 tablespoon again beef stock or beef powder, and also black pepper. So the chicken, guys, when I marinate, I put that beef powder too and black pepper. So now I'm going to put the cover make sure. So that is the black pepper. You have to estimate, guys. It's up to you. If you like spicy, then you can add chili powder or spicy chili. So that is basil. That is optional. So now, as you can see, I put the cover and let them simmer like very slow temperature, and I add again olive oil. It's like 1 tablespoon and very low temperature, so it's not getting burned, and also you have to turn it all the time, stir it so it cook even. So it's very delicious. You have to try it. So shout out to all my co-YouTuber, my silent viewer. Thank you so much for watching, and please leave comment and subscribe, like, share if you like my video, and God bless. So as you can see, guys, it's so yummy. You have to try. It's kind of like Puerto Rican rice or recipe, but that is my own version and my own recipe. So I keep, as you can see, I keep turning and stir the food, so making sure the food is even to cook. So what I said, you have to put slow. And now the rice, yellow rice, is ready to serve. I sit aside the clean plate. So thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe, likes, and please leave comment and share if you like my video, and don't forget subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless. I love you all, and thank you for support, and to all my silent viewers, co-YouTuber, thank you so much, and see you my next video. Bye bye. I love you all. So it's so yummy and very delicious. Yum, yum, yum. You have to try, guys. It's very delicious.